So how to connect SSD or external hard disks to your Samsung. So Samsung have type C converter. So in this case you have to use this kind of converter, or if you are using iPhone, then I hope in pesos this converter available in your desk. If not, I will give the video description, just you can purchase it. Now insert your, then connect it with your phone. So once you connect, then you can see your SSD is turning on. Now go back to your phone, then go to your file manager. It's still not coming. Yeah, that's it. So just press on your file, then you can see a lot of file available here. For example, you want to transfer this file to your mobile, just press this file, press on copy. Now where you want to copy or move, if you already using SD card, select SD card, and if you are not using internal device, then select your internal device. And now if you want to create a new menu, press on this plus icon and search test. Now press on copy here. Now if you go back to your internal device, then go to your test device, then you can see file is arrived. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer. And if you want to transfer to phone to your SD card, same process, just copy and select your USB device and where you want to copy, then just copy here, file will be sent. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.